Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have a quick revision of the most important multiple choice questions and solutions in chemistry with answers. Question 1 is molarity of pure water. Here are the four choices given. Option A is 1, option B 18, option C 55.5 and option D is 6. The true answer to this question is option C 55.5. And now question 2 is 18 gram glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to, here are the four choices given. Option A is 1 over 5, option B 5.1, option C 1 over 51 and option D is 6.0. The true answer to this question is option C 1 over 51. And now question 3 is a solution of glucose is 10% by volume. The volume in which 1 gram mole of it is dissolved will be. Here are the four options given. Option A is 1.0 decimeter cube, option B is 1.8 decimeter cube, option C is 200 centimeter cube and option D is 900 centimeter cube. The true answer to this question is option B 1.8 decimeter cube. And now question 4 is an aqueous solution of ethanol in water may have vapor pressure. Here are the four options given. Option A is equal to that of water, option B is equal to that of ethanol and option C is more than that of water and option D is less than that of water. The true answer to this question is option C more than that of water. And question 5 is an azeotropic mixture of two liquids boil at a lower temperature than either of them when. Here are the four options given. A option is it is saturated, B option it shows positive deviation from Raoult's law, option C it shows negative deviation from Raoult's law and option D is it is metastable. The true answer to this question is option B it shows positive deviation from Raoult's law. And now question 6 is in azeotropic mixture showing positive deviation from Raoult's law, the volume of the mixture is. Here are the four options given. Option A is slightly more than that of the volume of the components, option B is slightly less than the total volume of the components, option C equal to the total volume of the components and option D is none of these options. The true answer to this question is option A slightly more than the volume of the components. And now question 7 is which of the following solutions has the highest boiling point. Here are the four options given. Option A 5.85% solution of sodium chloride, option B 18.0% solution of glucose, option C 6% solution of urea, option D all have the same boiling point. The true answer to this question is option A 5.85% solution of sodium chloride. And now question 8 is two solutions of sodium chloride and potassium chloride are prepared separately by dissolving same amount of the solute in water. Which of the following statement is true for these solutions? Here are the four options given. Option A is KCl solution will have higher boiling point than NaCl solution. Option B is both the solutions have different boiling points. Option C is KCl and NaCl solutions possess same vapor pressure. And option D is KCl solution possesses lower freezing point than NaCl solution. The true answer to this question is option C. KCl and NaCl solutions possess same vapor pressure. And now question 9 is the molar boiling point constant is the ratio of elevation in boiling point 2. Here are the four options given. Option A is molarity, option B molality, option C mole fraction of the solvent, option D mole fraction of the solute. The true answer to this question is option B molality. And now question 10 is colligative properties are the properties of. Here are the four options given. Option A dilute solutions which behave as nearly ideal solutions, option B concentrated solutions which behave as nearly non-ideal solutions, option C both 1 and 2 and option D neither options 1 or 2. The true answer to this question is option A dilute solutions which behave as nearly ideal solutions. And now question 11 is the sum of mole fraction of gases in a mixture of gases is. Here are the four options given. Option A is always more than 1, option B always less than 1, option C maybe less or more than 1 and option D always 1. The true answer to this question is option D always equal to 1. And now question 12 is, the number of moles of solute per kilogram of solvent is called. Here are the four options given. Option A, molarity. Option B, molality. Option C, mole fraction. And option D is normality. The true answer to this question is option B, molality. And now question 13 is, in a mixture of 7 gram of nitrogen and 8 gram of oxygen, the mole fraction of oxygen is. Here are the four options given. Option A 1, option B 0.1, option C 0.5 and option D 0.2. The true answer to this question is option C 0.5. And now question 14 is, the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate is. Here are the four options given. Option A is 4, option B 3, option C 6 and option D is 0. The true answer to this question is option C 6. And now question 15 is, which of the given salts is not hydrolyzed in water? Here are the four options given. Option A is NaCl, option B AlCl3, option C Na2CO3 and option D Ci3COONa. The true answer to this question is option A NaCl. Now question 16 is, the correct equation of Raoult's law is. Here are the four options given. Option A, del P over P naught is equal to x2 and option B, del P over P naught is equal to x1. Option C, P naught over del P is equal to x2 and option D is P naught over del P is equal to x2 minus x1. The true answer to this question is option A, del P over P naught is equal to x2. And now question 17 is, osmotic pressure is an example of. Here are the four options given. Option A, colligator properties. Option B, additive properties. Option C, constitutive properties and option D, internal energy. The true answer to this question is option A, colligator properties.